Record high temperatures are back. Is your AC system long overdue for a tune-up? At IRBIS Heating and Air Conditioning, our team is ready to provide you with the highest level of service in the Bay Area. Right now, we're providing a comprehensive on-site multi-point inspection tune-up and AC system diagnostic for only $69. A quick tune-up ensures you're getting the highest efficiency, provides savings on your electric bill, and can add years to the life of your AC and heating system. If you've been putting this off, right now's the time to call and take advantage of this $69 tune-up special. The IRBIS team is always going to help you find the most cost-effective solution to any problem. And with easy finance options available, including 0 down and 0% interest for 25 months, you're looking to find us, check us out on Yelp by searching IRBIS HVAC to see our hundreds of 5-star reviews. Whether you're looking for a repair or a whole new AC system, IRBIS is always ready to provide you with the highest level of service. Just call 669-COOLING. That's 669-COOLING.